magkakaroon ng sequel to Hello, Love, Goodbye. So when they told me about it just this year, after I did A Very Good Girl and all, my next assignment talaga supposedly is Elena. But then may mga kailangan pang paghandaan for Elena, and then yan, may mga nangyari, and then naging totoo. Ito na, nandito tayo lahat for Hello, Love again. So it feels very familiar, but at the same time, it's different this time because it's been 5 years, and 5 years is such a long time.
Dami na nangyari.
Yeah, I've changed. I think we all did. Lahat tayo nagbago, and I'm just curious kung ano yung mabibigay namin this time around. Because when we shot HLG, I was just 23, and then now I just turned 28. So yung 5 years na yun, ano yung nangyari sa growth namin personally, and of course kung ano naman yung magiging growth when it comes to Ethan and Joy. So, ang daming tinatansya pa namin. But then, it's an exciting feeling.
Before I go to the requesting na mag-sequel kayo.
Yes, we are. Kasi parang, naalala ko nga, hindi ko makalimutan to. Kasi when Hello, Love, Goodbye was shown in Netflix, parang nung time na, kasi diba sa Netflix, pag mawawala na siya, may leaving soon na nakalagay dun sa film. And then all of a sudden, parang nung aalis na sa Netflix, biglang parang ayaw nila. And then, nagtuloy-tuloy pa rin, I think, until today ba? Meron pa rin Hello, Love, Goodbye on Netflix. And, of course, marami rin sa mga yung mga supporters namin, I'm sure si Kat din. And the support, yung mga fans ng film, the actual film, really wants to know what happens next. So, yes, we are aware na andyan lang, parang the clamor is still there. Ngayon lang talaga mas nabigyang bunga yung paghingi nila ng part 2 for this film.
Worth the wait. Sumobra ba ako sa punchline? Okay, Catherine, go ahead.
It's finally happening.
It is.
Grabe, ngayon lang nagsisink in sa amin actually. Kasi sinabi ko kanina pa, kagabi pa ako kinakabahan. I don't know why. Maybe it's more of excitement and halo-halong emotion. But then seeing everybody here, ramdam namin yung support at excitement nyo. And parang yun nag-fuel sa amin na makapagsulat ulit sa Ate Carmi. And kami mag-start na kami mag-shoot soon. You know, it's not gonna be easy, but then here we are. This is so exciting. You know, we thought we already said our goodbyes. But here we are, saying our hellos.
Magaling sila magsulat.
Ask ka pa, maybe. So, and as you all said kanina, this is the first, a lot of firsts, and excited lang siguro ako. So thank you so much for giving us another opportunity to tell another story and to share continue sharing Ethan and Joy's story, but this time in Canada. Sana po supportahan nyo lahat. We'll see you in cinemas. We'll be back this November, of course. This will be under GMA Pictures and Star Cinema. Let's do it. Directed by Cathy Garcia Molina. Sompana.
The long wait is over. Kasama ako doon. I mean, marami naghintay. Kasama kaming lahat doon. And syempre, I would like to thank, of course, my bosses from GMA, Miss Annette, Miss Joy, Miss Nessa, for you know, letting me do Hello, Love Again, of course, to our bosses also in ABS, Sir CLK and Tita Cory, thank you so much. Direk and Kath, na-miss ko kayo. Na-miss ko tong film, Carmi, Tala. Tala kasi tawag namin sa kanya.
Kaya, now I know.
Yung Hazel kasi.
Hindi Hazel.
You know, and, I couldn't be happier today kasi parang this gave me another motivation, you know, yung gigising ka sa umaga na meron kang look forward. So I am so excited and very happy that this is happening. For everyone po, sana kung paano nyo sinuportahan yung Hello, Love, Goodbye, sana makuha din po namin yung supportan yun and more pa, times 2 pa. So, Hello, Love Again in cinemas, exclusively in cinemas, November 13, 2024.
Possible with its unprecedented box office success. But more than the monetary gains, it was a testament to our commitment to tell stories of Filipinos all over the world. Their sacrifices, their dreams, their love for their families, and also for themselves. Doing a sequel, sabi nga ni Kat kanina, is no easy feat. Hello, Love, Goodbye touched so many hearts, and we knew that to continue the story of Ethan and Joy, we would need to elevate our game. Diba, Direk? I know how enormous the pressure is for Hello, Love Again, but I have no doubt that the film is in good hands. With a team as excellent and as passionate as these people on stage right now, And with the unwavering support of our bosses, Sir Mark, Sir Carlo, Tita Cory, I know that nothing is impossible. So I hope that when the movie comes out in November, the same hearts who were touched by HLG would go to the cinemas, and of course that we also touch new hearts, not only here in the Philippines but around the world. I'd also like to take this time to thank GMA Pictures for joining us in this new journey. Actually, Annette and I have been talking about collaborating for more than 3 years now. And finally, timing is everything talaga. So this is it, Annette. I know that this is only the beginning of a beautiful and fruitful partnership. And together, I'm claiming it, Annette. We're going to do and we're going to make history again. Thank you very much, and we hope for your support. November 13 na po, Hello Love Again.
I think everyone already has said everything about the sequel, about this new movie, Hello Love Again. I just want to echo what Chris said. I think 3 years ago, yung talks natin, and this is the first actual contract that we entered into with ABS-CBN, itong joint venture for movies. And sa umpisa pa lang, linaloko ko na si Carlo, sabi ko, tara, mag-sequel na tayo ng Hello, Love, Goodbye. Palagi ko siyang linaloko every time may meeting kami, yan yung linaloko ko. Akala ko biro lang. Tapos bigla na lang a month ago or a few weeks ago, biglang sabi niya, tara, gawin na natin yung sequel. So, totoo ba to? So, I'm actually very happy na wala pa tayong ginagawa na joint venture movie because I think this is the best movie that we can begin with. So, again, I'm thankful to Star Cinema and to ABS-CBN and of course to Direk Cathy, Catherine, and Alden. Thank you very much for this opportunity that you gave GMA Pictures, and we're looking forward to more collaborations with you.
Yeah.